Are you in the market for a rental property? Are you wondering how you can purchase an investment property in Colorado? Are you wondering if you can find it for sale by owner? If you can buy an investment property on Zillow? The answer is yes to all those, obviously. I'm a real estate investor. I'm in one of my houses I'm working on here. It's a hoarder house. As I'm going, I'll kind of let you see this place. It was stuffed with garbage, but I get a lot of people reaching out to me because I am a licensed agent too, and they are looking for investment properties. They want to get a rental property, or they're looking for something like this that they can do a fix and flip project on. And they're always asking me, how do you find these? And there's many ways to come across these properties. There are deals on the MLS where somebody like me could help you find them on the active market, but there's other ways to find them where they're not on the market. And how I get these and other investors, these are just properties that they can't list them. They don't want to list them. They're just like this one, have numerous items in the house, and they just had no way to get rid of the items. Maybe structural issues. I do a lot of structural repairs, and basically I've done quite a bit of my own homes in the last 15 years. So there's a lot of people out there that I don't understand help people, and they haven't ever even put their money into any real estate themselves, and that's not me. I've got rental properties. I have a storage facility. I fix and flip homes, and I've been in this industry for about 26 years. Just trying to give you a lay of the land in this house. And so if you're looking to purchase an investment property in the Colorado area, and you want some more information on how you find investment properties, either on the market or find investment property for sale by owner or through Zillow or other means, and you just want to know how you go about it and what to do, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I would love to answer any questions, because this is fun for me and I love helping people out. So anyway, reach out to me anytime. We'll keep you posted on this project. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and like my YouTube page. So hit the subscribe or the thumbs up or thumbs down if you're seeing this on YouTube, and stay tuned on this. And I'll put my contact information out as well. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and REMAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.